What's up guys, if you are interested on creator monetization tools, you can make a request. So here's the things that you need to do. So guys, check my tutorial so that you can try to request. This is not accurate 100%, but I did it myself, then I got the invitation. So you can try also, so you have possibility or you have a chance to invite on creator monetization tools. So check this out. So guys, just go to your first thing we need to do is we can copy our link. So copy our link. So just go to the three dot at the right side in front of you, and then click or share profile or copy profile link. So copy your profile link. Then after that, just go back and go to your professional dashboard. So go to your monetization tools. So from there guys, at your in-stream ads, if you are monetized, just go to your in-stream ads. Okay guys, this is the option, and click the learn more about in-stream ads. As we know that in-stream ads they are not longer accepting new applications. So if you are monetized, just try this one. So click learn more about in-stream ads, and then I'm interested. So I'm interested, click on it. So guys, if you click the I'm interested, just put your email. So this is example. I already input my email, and then Facebook account, your URL. So URL, it means the URL of your profile, which is you copy link before. Just paste it here. Okay, you already paste there. And guys, if you have other social media accounts, which is, for example, if you have Facebook page, because this one, I copy link the profile link, and you can copy also your Facebook page, which is you can try on here also. So I already copied before, so I will try to copy on this. That's it. And then let's do this. So that's it guys. I already submitted, and Facebook replied, for your submitted successfully. Thank you for your interest and the Facebook content monetization beta. So guys, if you are invited, you will get the notification that you are already invited. However guys, if you are not yet monetized on in-stream ads, check this out. So we will try to the Facebook that not yet monetized. So for example, we are here. So this is my other Facebook. This is my other Facebook that not yet monetized my account. I will try copy the link. Just go to the three dot. So of course, you need to copy your link from your profile, of course. And after you copy on that, just go to your monetization tools. At your monetization tools, just go to your in-stream ads. So as you say that in-stream ads are not yet available, all the tools are not yet available. So you just go to in-stream ads. So from the in-stream ads, don't click the interested, because the learn more. Click the learn more. So from the learn more, you just go there. So I'm interested on monetization beta. So same thing, you just click on it. And then if you click that one, you need to enter your email as well. So I enter already the email guys, and then paste here your URL. URL, it means your profile link. And of course, if you have Facebook page as well, just put here the link on your other social media account. Okay? And click on let's do this. So just only submitted already, and thank you for your interest, Facebook content monetization beta. And guys, that's it. So if you are lucky and Facebook will give you a chance, you will get the content monetization tools. And I hope this tutorial will help you to try to interest on Facebook creator monetization tools. And please like and share. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.